So our second bout this evening is 3 2-minute rounds of full contact action, and Camil from the Black Country Combat in the blue corner, the slightly taller man. Ant Luke from, again, Adrenaline, huge support here for the local fighters here at the Hammerwich Cricket Club. In the red corner, having his second fight, he won his debut, 33 years of age, getting their final instructions before we potentially have 3 rounds. And Camil, a late replacement for Aunt Luke, and well done for stepping in.